Hey guys, I'll share with you some simple and easy way to make money fast in Dig. So perfect if you're just starting or want to speed things up. So first, let's talk about the map because this is super important. When you open the game, you'll notice different areas on the map, like the starter mine, lava zone, and the crystal cavern. Each zone gives better rewards the deeper you dig, so make sure you pay attention to where you're on the map. The deeper zones equals more valuable blocks is equals to faster money. So tip number one, focus on deeper zones early. If you want to earn faster, try moving to areas like lava zone or crystal cavern as soon as you can afford the upgrades. The blocks here sell for a much higher price compared to the starter area. So tip number two, upgrade your tools regularly. Don't save too much money. Always reinvest in better tools because stronger tools break blocks faster. So faster digging is equal to more blocks and equals to more money. So tip number three, sell smart. Use the teleport button on the map to quickly get back to the selling zone. This saves you time and helps you collect more blocks without running back and forth manually. So tip number four, look for events or boosts on the map. Sometimes you'll notice areas on the map offering double coins or faster digging boosts. Visit those areas when they're available. They'll help you earn money a lot quicker. So lastly, for the tip number five, play with friends. Some zones often faster when more people are digging together. The deeper the group digs, the faster you unlock rare blocks. So, follow these simple techniques and you'll be making money faster in Dig.